Keep it real with you though. Motherfucking remote start is acting ignorant since I got this new battery put in, but I think I need a new battery in the remote. Motherfucker like extra sensitive too, man. The fuck out my car, man. We ain't going nowhere. I'm just trying to show YouTube this the insides. Probably could use a good detailing. Got my good, wow. Got my good Bud Light Platinum over there. I'm being Boosie, showing off my wheel notch. I got a 6-piece over here still I've been fucking with. Man, come on, get out of my car. Come on. Get out of my car, you fucking up the video. You got fucking footprints in my seats and shit. People ain't gonna wanna buy my shit now.